Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter, and in this tutorial I like to show you how to fix download pending problem in Play Store. Sometimes it's maybe happen for some technical problem, and when we try to install an application in our mobile phone, this problem we can see again and again and again. Don't worry, now you can left to this problem. So let's go start it. First, go to your mobile settings option. And in settings we have to open apps. In some mobile phone you can see this option apps manager, which mobile phones belongs to KitKat or Lollipop versions. In apps manager, find out download application and open it, disable or force down it, then again enable it and then tap on back, and here find out Play Store. Open it and here click on storage. Here we have to clear total data or caches, so tap on clear. So after clear data or caches, then restart your phone and now open your Play Store and here search for which kind of application you want to install. And here simply click on install. We can see our download is starting without any problem. I hope now you can solve your download pending problem in Play Store. To get more this type of videos, subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.